Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning you can see my current unlock method is pattern. So let's go to next unlock method with going to settings and password and biometrics. Now lock screen password. Let's turn it off and let's set lock screen password. Now let's tap on use different password type and choose between pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password and password with 4 characters to 16 characters. So basically this one and this one are the same, but one has 4 digits and the second one has 4 to 16 digits. Let's check it. Okay, let's search for another one. So these are very similar, so let's go next to alphanumeric password. Okay, let's turn off password. And set again. And in here we can set normal 6-digit password. I think it's the most basic function in this phone. Okay, let's go next. We can add fingerprint. And the sensor is right here. Okay. And the last way to unlock your phone is face detection. Let's set it right now. Okay, my face is now connected to this phone. And as you can see, it already detected my face. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.